In his first comment since the destruction of a strategic Russian-controlled dam in southern Ukraine, Russian President Vladimir Putin blamed Ukraine for the extensive damage and called the actions of those responsible barbaric. The hydroelectric dam was ripped open early Tuesday after a reported blast, and in the aftermath, Moscow and Kyiv have traded blame for the attack. On a phone call with Turkish leader Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Putin said that the breach was a barbaric act which has led to a large-scale environmental and humanitarian catastrophe. Vladimir Putin stated that Kyiv authorities, at the suggestion of the Western curators, are still banking on the escalation of hostilities, committing war crimes, openly using terrorist methods, and organizing sabotage on Russian territory. A vivid example of this is the barbaric act to destroy the Kakhovka hydroelectric power station in the Kherson region, which led to a large-scale environmental and humanitarian disaster, Putin said. His reaction came after Erdogan reportedly proposed to Putin and his Ukrainian counterpart Volodymyr Zelensky to set up an international commission to investigate the destruction of the dam. During the call, the Russian president also congratulated his Turkish counterpart on officially assuming office, the Kremlin said, further adding that Putin and Erdogan have agreed to maintain regular communication. The statement mentioned it has been agreed to maintain regular personal dialogue. Moscow and Kyiv have traded blame for the breaching of the hydroelectric dam, which was ripped open early Tuesday by a reported blast. The dam sits on the Dnipro River, which feeds a reservoir providing cooling water for the Russian-occupied Zaporizhia nuclear power station. Officials in Ukraine-controlled Kherson stated that evacuations are ongoing in flooded areas after the Nova Kakhovka dam's collapse. Head of the Kherson Region Military Administration, Alexander Prokudin, said, "We expect that the water will stay and accumulate for another day and then will gradually decrease for another 5 days." International humanitarian organization CARE has warned that landmines are probably floating in the flood, which has unleashed Nova Kakhovka dam's collapse in the southern Kherson region. Country Director at CARE Ukraine, Fabrice Martin, stated that the environment could face the catastrophic consequences from the dam breach. Meanwhile, Ukraine's Agriculture Ministry said that the destruction of the Kakhovka hydroelectric power station will lead the fields in the south of Ukraine to turn into deserts next year. In a statement issued late on Tuesday, the ministry said the disaster would cut off the water supply to 31 irrigation systems in the Ukrainian regions of Dnipro, Kherson and Zaporizhia. It added that in 2021, these systems provided irrigation on 584,000 hectares, from which farmers harvested about 4 million tons of grains and oilseeds. It further mentioned that the dam's destruction has left 94% of irrigation systems in Kherson, 74% of those in Zaporizhia and 30% of those in the Dnipro regions without water.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.